Hey, Charlie. He's biting it.
Where's Charlie? Ooh. Ooh.
Hey, buddy, let me see this thing. Oh, oh, hey. You like? Oh, wait, what? Something else is in his mouth, actually, Kim.
String.
Can you put it on again?
Where's Charlie?
Bunny. Do you know what you look like?
Has he looked in a mirror, Hannah?
No.
Hey, Charlie.
He's eating his thing. But they feel good.
He hasn't seen himself yet.
Take him into the girls' room so he can see himself.